Ooh. So we just got here and everybody else's car has a recreation pass. We don't have one. So we're going to take our chance and just park anyways, and hopefully everything turns out fine. Screw nature. I want to go home and watch Friends and eat ice cream. Hey Martin.
What?
You shall not pass. What are you doing? I said you can't pass.
Too bad.
What the freak? I'm a true adventurer. Oh my god!
Almost.
Stupid stick didn't help.
All right, jump in. There's your swimming hole.
This is it?
Yes, this is it.
Watch it be some guy peeing at the very top.
We made it.
Yay! Look!
Whoa!
It's beautiful.
Look at that.
So it took 3 hours to get there. It's gonna take 3 hours to go back. And I really regret not jumping in. Like, yeah, it's cold, but that's only gonna last a few seconds, and that's not going to replace the fact that it's a beautiful memory that will last a lifetime. So me and Martin made a vow that from now on, whenever we go hiking, we're gonna pack an extra pair of clothes and towels, and we're going to jump in no matter what. If we come across a river or a lake or a waterfall, you gotta take those opportunities because you never know when you're gonna have the next opportunity.